Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm KIKICONIC, and if you're new here, welcome. In my channel, you find all the techniques how I do my makeup transformation from boy to a girl. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is just click the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified when I have a new video. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how I come up with this look using my Natasha Denona LILA palette. So without further ado, let's go on with the transformation. But before we begin, I want to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel.
Still want
the look I did for you guys using my Natasha Denona LILA palette. By the way guys, for the lips I used my matte lip liner. This is Follow Your Heart. And for the lipstick I used my Tarte. This is in a crimson shade. And for the lip gloss I used my Fenty. This is in a Vacray. Let me know what you think about this look on me. All you have to do is just comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. All you have to do is just click the like button. I want to say thank you to each one of you guys for sticking around and watch my video. Have a great day, and I want to say goodbye. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.